السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel, Hassan Aziz. I hope that you're well. Today, I will explain you what is lambda expression. Is the first thing. Okay, I will make a brief introduction about this very important concept because I will use it in different steps of this course. Okay, so lambda expression is symbol that has been used or introduced in mathematical world. Yes, I think in 1930, and he resolved a lot of problems. Yes, he allowed a big change in mathematical world. That's the first thing when lambda has been used. After this big change in mathematical world or calculus, programmers begin to introduce it in different programming language. Very slowly, but he began to introduce it in different programming language. Do you know who is the first programming language that used lambda expression? Is Lisp. Lisp, yes, it is the first one. Okay? After this, another programming language introduced the concept of a lambda expression, such as C, C++, Objective-C, C#.NET, Python. Yeah, I like Python. Maybe we make the course of Python. What Ruby, Scala. Finally, yeah, really. And finally, yes, finally Java introduced the Java lambda expression. Yes, it is the last one. We can do nothing, but Alhamdulillah, they introduced in the program, in the API, the library. So, Java introduced lambda expression. Why? What is the benefit to introducing lambda expression in Java? So, what is the benefit to use lambda expression in Java? The most important thing, the first one is to enable functional programming in Java. The second one is to write more readable, maintainable, and concise code. It's very important. The third one, what is it? Is to use the API very easily and effectively. The fourth one, what is it? Is to enable a parallel programming using a string. That's the four benefits of lambda expression in Java, inshallah. So, see you in the next video, inshallah, to begin the course really, to practice and to show you the first one, how to write this lambda expression. Just practice directly, please. Practice directly. Okay? Don't wait to tell we'll do it tomorrow. No, you will see it's very, very easy, and it doesn't take a lot of time. With Android, I think you use emulator, it takes a lot of time, okay? No, it is not the same thing. You just write some line code, just 2 or 3, maybe 10 maximum, and you can run your code, okay? So, see you in the next video, inshallah, to start to show you how to write this lambda expression. If you like this video, brothers and sisters, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.